of Isaias has begun. Yes, the reign of Isaias has begun. Yes, the reign of tropical. Oh, there's my candle running. Yeah. Oh, yeah. But guys, here's rain. It's heavy. Yes, heavy Isaias rain. Yes, guys, and this is tropical dorm rain. Yeah, guys. Also, guys, well, it looks like, well, wait. Oh, the winds are picking up. And for rain, too. Yes, guys. Yes, guys. Yes, guys. It's currently picking up right now. What's up? Yes, guys, the rain is currently picking up right now. See, guys, raindrops right now. So yeah, guys, so the rain of Isaias has begun in my house, and the rain is very heavy. Yes. Very heavy Isaias rain. Yes. Yes, indeed, guys. Heavy rain. Yes, guys, indeed, guys, heavy rain. Alexa, off. So yeah, guys, so there is currently heavy rain going on. Wait. Yeah, guys, currently heavy rain going on. Guys, I'm currently trying to plug my phone in right now. Ah, come on. There, finally, I got my charger in. Yes, guys, I finally got my charger in. So yeah, guys, so here is tropical. So guys, here is the first band of Isaias. Yes, guys, the very first band. Yes, guys, that I'm getting. Yes, and, well, probably many more to come. Yes, wait, I think it's coming down a bit now. Yeah, guys, I think it might be coming down a bit now, guys. Yeah. Yeah, guys, it's probably calming down a bit now. So, yeah, guys. So, guys, it has basically calmed down now. So, guys, well, yeah, guys, I'm gonna. Yeah, guys, so first benefit is it's over now, guys. So yeah, guys, and it's, well, oh damn, my cat is outside. Oh no, oh no. Well, guys, this band is pretty much alright over. Well, yeah, guys, this band is pretty much, well, there's parts of it coming and going. Yeah, guys, but, well, guys, here's the first band, guys. So, yeah, guys, well, now, well, yeah, guys, so, bye-bye.